All right, here we go. 14-15 Upper Deck SP Authentic Triple Box Random Break number 1. First thing we're going to do is randomize a list of participants. Everybody's on here in the requested spawn numbers. Start with Goose, who had spawn number 1. All the way down to Moist Jaw in the last couple of spots. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. Let's do that quickly. Oh, and we'll do the teams. All 30 NHL teams are ironed off, but a quarter start with the Anaheim Ducks. All the way down to the Winnipeg Jets. Randomize this list 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. So that quick. Just going to copy and paste those lists in my spreadsheet. I'll read off everybody's team. 1 moment. All right, Parkman's got Chicago. Moist Jaw, St. Louis. Chris, Dallas. Shanny, Toronto. Goose, LA. B. Patterson, Buffalo. GS Knucklehead, Ottawa. Bruins, Washington. Big John, San Jose. Big John, New York Rangers. Goose, Boston. Moist Jaw, Pittsburgh. Sherry, Florida. Big John, Colorado. Canadian Kruger, Detroit. Parkman, Vancouver. K-Man, Nashville. Canadian Kruger, Winnipeg. Cujo, Columbus. Snowballs, Anaheim. Big John, Carolina. Junior 90, Edmonton. Big John, Philadelphia. Lucky Bet, Minnesota. Big John, Arizona. Joggis, Tampa Bay. Steve, NHL. Calgary. Vanderlinden. New Jersey. Canadian Cool Gear, New York Islanders, and Ejaculate, Montreal. Put 1 minute up on the board for trades. If anybody would like to trade the team, now would be the time to do so. Yeah, your team is Toronto. Last couple trades. Yeah, Sherry, Florida's got Aaron Ekblad. First overall pick that year. Shawnee, would you trade Toronto for Pittsburgh or St. Louis? Possibly Pittsburgh, judging by his name. Pittsburgh for Toronto? Randy is telling you to keep Florida. Confirm Pittsburgh for Toronto. All right, done. Let's do it. Box 1, good luck. Got another Series 1 triple box up for tonight, if anyone's interested. If not, that'll be it. If you're my phone vibrating, someone's buying in. It's a long time since I busted this. Platinum break? What do you mean? Sold out. Completed. About an hour ago we finished it. No problem. It's not up on YouTube yet, but I'll get it up soon. $25 spots left. Damn. Redemptions from this year? Yep. They're good for 2 years. This came out 14, 15. It was June. Yeah, so it's still valid. I think it's like 1 year grace period too. So you can still get the redemptions for 13, 14. Last time I checked, that's what they were doing. It was late July that this came out. 2015. Or late June, sorry. I think it was the last week of June. Series 1 update piece. Go through the inserts quickly. It's going to Columbus, Carolina, New York Rangers, Anaheim, New York Rangers, Detroit, New York Rangers, New York Rangers, Anaheim. That one is going to be randomized. Bossy and Gretzky, Islanders, Oilers into the break. Montreal exclusives out of 100 for Edmonton, Derek Roy. Future Watch Non-auto to 999 for the Islanders. Mike Helmo. I forgot some of these guys. Future Watch auto to 999. Going to Carolina. Patrick Brown. Future Watch for Buffalo. Andre Makarov. Young Guns for Anaheim. Reese Cash. Future Watch at 999 for Columbus. Anton Forsberg. Redemption. Future Watch Auto, number to 999, going to Calgary, Johnny Gaudreau. Not bad. Not bad at all. And a Future Watch Auto at a 999, going to Anaheim, William Karlsson. Expiration date, June 9th, 2017. Redeem it ASAP. I'm pretty sure they still give you an extra year. Box 2. Three-box Scott. I just made that up. What do you think, Brian? Three-box Scott. Sounds good. He didn't even fight. Thanks, Brian. Aztec Young Guns. Damn, those are hard to pull. Update piece. Through the inserts quick. That is going to Anaheim, New York Rangers, LA, Tampa Bay, Edmonton. That one's going to be randomized off at the end. It's Marcel Dion and Guy Lafleur. Be randomized between Montreal and LA. Going to Columbus, Edmonton, Detroit, Minnesota, stuck, Ottawa, Arizona. Aztec Young Guns for New Jersey, Seth Helgeson. Future Watch out of 999, going to Tampa Bay, Christopher Gudlevsky. Young Guns for Tampa Bay, Nikita Nesterov. Future Watch Auto, going to Buffalo, Nicholas Delorier. Future Watch for Washington, Braden Holtby. Future Watch for Vancouver, Adam Clendening. And a Future Watch Auto for the Islanders, Griffin Reinhart. You don't want it, Brian? Or you don't want a chance at it? Last box. Good luck. All right. The all-time moments, Lafleur, Dion, go to LA. He was not. One sec, sorry. $23 left in the Series 1. 3 years of Series 1. That. Not frozen, I was just very still. It was a dual auto, Brian, and you gave it away. What a chump. Not once have I ever said, oh my. Oh, I forgot about it last night. Thanks for reminding me. Damn it. Stupid Ducks. Alright. That would have been epic. Best player in the league versus the second best player in the league. Update. Base. Go to New York Rangers, Montreal, Calgary, Nashville, Colorado. Sorry, that's Jonathan Toews goes to Chicago, Team Canada. Pittsburgh, New York Rangers, Chicago, Detroit. Triple authentic moments randomized off the end. Edmonton, Florida, and Buffalo. Draisaitl. Future Watch Auto out of 999 going to Columbus, Kirby Reichel. Future Watch out of 999 for Florida, Jonathan Racine. A limited auto for the Hartford Whalers, Mike Liut goes to Carolina. Future Watch out of 999 for Toronto, Peter Ramberg. Young Guns for Anaheim, Yuri Sikash. Dual Sign of the Times going to Columbus, Ryan Murray and Boone Jenner. Young Guns for Florida, Rocco Grimaldi. And we'll finish this off with a Future Watch out of 999 for Tampa Bay, Cedric Paquette. And there we go. 2 cards to randomize. 1 sec while I set those up. And Darren, we can do your SPA boxes after this too. Alright, up first, New York Islanders, Edmonton. This is the Bossy Gretzky. Randomize this list 3 times. Who ends up on top, spot 1 gets the card. If I can get to focus, there we go. 1, 2, and 3, going to Edmonton. And up next is the Triple Authentic Moments, Florida, Buffalo, Edmonton. Same thing, 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, going to Buffalo. And there we go, 14-15 SPH box break. Number 1 in the books. Thank you very much, everybody.